All right, Big Idea Trading members, I'm coming to you from the car here this week. Just had some time and thought, you know what, I'm going to make the Bitcoin analysis video today from the car because the analysis pretty much hasn't changed since last week. We're like in the exact same spot as we were last week. If we watched last week's videos, you can kind of tell by what I was saying there that we might not even have a position for Bitcoin just yet if it goes sideways. If it breaks out here, like a daily body opens above this line, then of course we have a position of a long. If a daily body opens below this line, then we just stay out because we're, spot trading Bitcoin. We're not using leverage, we're not buying or selling, we're not shorting the market, right? Okay, so let's go over to last week's video and we'll just watch, 20 seconds of this, so you'll see what I was talking about last week, because it's the same scenario.
Okay, and that's really close to where we are. So there's going to be three scenarios which could happen here. We'll put the candles back to Hintakiyashi because I like to look at that. We're going to zoom in here. So you guys know in trading it can either go three directions. I know a lot of people say two directions, but sideways is a direction as well. So it could trade within here, okay? Meaning that we could just see stuff like this for weeks on end, okay? And then it actually chooses a direction. So where price is right now, guys, is it's in the middle of a range, basically, which if you go through the course, you know this. It's like you don't buy in the middle of a range because you're just gambling. You're taking a 50-50 chance if that's what you're doing. This is more what I'm looking for, and this is where I think that price will go, is we get some sideways action here, or it simply just starts to trend back up, and then we find support above here, and we're just like this again. Because I think that would piss more people off, and I think that's what like crypto likes to do, is just piss people off. If everyone's expecting it to come down more, like, 40,000 Bitcoin, let's just wait for it. No, I think that we're going to get some sideways action, and then we'll just be doing this kind of trading here within.
The scenario is exactly kind of how I was saying it would play out there, guys. Not saying like, I can tell the future or anything, but that's what I'm waiting for. I'm just waiting for a body to open on the daily time frame, or even the 4-hour time frames, solid time frame to go off above this line here. And then we'll be doing something like this, right? If price stays within here, I'm not buying. If price breaks below here, then I know, hey, I need to wait, right? To see where it goes to. And I've got another line down here, which if I was to look to the left, we'll just zoom out here. There's big fair value gaps there. This is the daily time frame. So very, very strong points of support, and then also down here as well. But right now, I don't think we need to put anything down there. So we'll see what happens. I do have this date on my chart. There's a superstition, kind of a urban legend about Bitcoin, that it does have low points to a specific date. And this is the specific date here, guys, is the October 5th, 2026. So we'll see if that prediction comes true or not. Who knows? You kind of have to go by it week to week. But yeah, if you look at the historical data of Bitcoin, it has a cycle, right? And this would be the cycle low date. So we'll see what happens, but who knows, right? So that's it for this week. Pretty much what I was saying last week played out. And then we're just waiting to see what happens here. Are we going to get a body open above, or are we just going to range for weeks on end here and then possibly go down? So we'll see. Probably next week we'll know what's happening, right? So that's it. And this is a short one. So I'll see you guys on Monday in the VIP. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.